Hello everyone, kumusta? Welcome to Dash of Spices. On today's video, I'm going to share to you how I made this delicious, quick and easy shrimp fried rice with toasted almond. If you want to learn how I make this recipe, please stay tuned and watch the entire video. And here's our ingredients. All the ingredients, you could get this at your local grocery store. You don't have to go to Asian market. You could find this at your local grocery store. I actually use a leftover cooked white rice, but you could cook a fresh rice. It's up to you. Now in a warm skillet, I just add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, just enough to cook the shrimps. I am using a naked shrimp, so I don't have to spend time peeling them for my family. My daughter loves shrimp, but she don't want the skin or the head or the tail, so I have to remove that. So I could go ahead and eat. I just go ahead and peel those shrimps. Just cook the shrimp. Make sure that each side are cooked thoroughly. And just scoot that or push that on the side. And now I'm gonna cook this onions, ginger, and the garlic. The good thing about this stir-fried rice, I don't use any sesame oil or oyster sauce. So you could make a stir-fried rice without any Asian seasoning. This is my quick and easy stir-fried rice. So just mix that thoroughly until everything is well combined. Add the black pepper, garlic salt, lots of garlic salt, a pinch of Himalayan salt, and some Mrs. Dash. And now I'm using a frozen vegetable. I got this frozen vegetable for $1 at Walmart, so this makes things easy for me instead of using a fresh vegetable, but it's up to you. You could do that too, but for quick and easy recipe ideas, a frozen vegetable will work as well. Now I add that 1/4 cup of soy sauce and also equal amount of water. Mix until everything is well combined. Cover this and let it cook until the vegetables are cooked. So about 3 to 5 minutes. And now that should be ready. Taste it. Now this is really up to you. I don't want my food too salty. So you could, if you made it too salty, all you have to do is add a little water or a little pinch of sugar. And now I'm adding the cooked white rice. I'm just gonna let that white rice absorb the sauce. Mix that white rice with the sauce. And then after that, you're just gonna mix everything together. Mix them until everything are well combined. See, the best thing about this recipe is, again, all other ingredients, you might already have this in your pantry. So this is a quick and easy dinner ideas. And again, mix them nice and easy. Everything should be well combined. And your stir-fried rice should be done. Now, instead of using a green onions as toppings, I use the toasted almonds. I think almonds and shrimp are a perfect combination together. So that's why I use a toasted almonds. Again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. And please share this recipe. Thank you everyone for watching Dash of Spices. Until next time, ciao!